everyone, for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumamit ng Gusion.
Those old fools.
Guys. Dapat lang guys, gayahin nyo tong gayahin nyo lang tong skills na to. Ito guys, paulit-ulit.
My daggers hit hard.
So, pwede din to, one siya guys, two,
Trying to escape?
one, two, back, one, two, three.
Off with you!
So,
Petty tricks! Bullseye! On my word!
yan yung one skill guys. Madali lang guys. Ito lang. Pwede din, ito second, third,
Betrayal leaves a bitter taste.
second, first. Dali lang talaga guys. Ito.
Off with you!
Dapat nang pagtutuhin itong steps na to para humasa kayo sa baba.
Fate can't define me.
Ganito yung ganito yung skill na to ba.
On my word!
Guys, training lang kayo guys hanggang lumakas kayo sa pag-push guys. So, itong combo. So third skill natin. Basic lang talaga guys.
On my word! Snap!
Ginagamit ko guys kapag may tank.
That's it! Off with you!
Diba? Basic lang talaga guys. Kapag ganyan na skill guys, madali talaga guys. So, lalapit ka lang sa
Petty tricks! On my word! Snap!
second, third, first, second. Tapos, madali lang talaga guys. I-maintain nyo lang talaga sa paggamit ng Gusion. Mag-classic kayo, rank.
Let's get this over with.
Madali lang talaga guys. So, yan lang yung ituturo ko ngayon. Yan lang yung ituturo ko ngayon sa inyo na skill ni Gusion guys. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe
You'd better watch out.
for more videos. Thank you.